Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing another episode of Universe Objects, guys. And today we are finishing up the dwarf planets, starting with Quor. Quor, minor planet designation 50,000 Quor, provisional designation 2002 LM60, is a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy planetesimals beyond Neptune. A non-resonant object, Cubuano, it measures approximately 1,086 kilometers, 675 miles in diameter, about the size of Saturn's moon Dione, or half the size of Pluto. The object was discovered by American astronomers Chad Trulito and Michael Brown at the Palomar Observatory on 4 June 2002. Signs of water ice on the surface of Quor have been found, which suggests that cryovolcanism may be occurring on Quor. A small amount of methane is present on its surface, which can only be retained by the largest Kuiper Belt objects. Quor has one known moon, Waywitt, which was discovered by Brown in February 2007. Both objects were named after mythological figures from the Native American Tongva people in Southern California. Quor is the Tongva creator deity, and Waywitt is his son. Gonggong, formerly 225,088 Gonggong, provisional designation 2007 OR10, is a dwarf planet, a member of the scatter disk beyond Neptune. It has a highly eccentric and inclined orbit, during which it ranges from 34 to 101 astronomical units, 5.1 to 15.1 billion kilometers, 3.2 to 9.4 billion miles from the Sun. As of 2019, its distance from the Sun is 88 AU, and it is the sixth farthest known solar system object. According to Deep Ecliptic Survey, Gonggong is in a 3-10 orbital resonance with Neptune, in which it completes 3 orbits around the Sun for every 10 orbits completed by Neptune. Gonggong was discovered in July 2007 by American astronomers Megan Swamp, Michael Brown, and David Rabinowitz at the Palomar Observatory, and the discovery was announced in January 2009. Approximately 1,230 kilometers, 760 miles in diameter, Gonggong is the size of Pluto's moon Charon, making it the fifth largest known trans-Neptunian object, apart from possibly from Charon. Hygiea, minor planet designation 10 Hygiea, is a major asteroid and a possible dwarf planet located in the main asteroid belt, with a diameter of 434 kilometers, 270 miles, and a mass estimated to be 3% of the total mass of the belt. It is the fourth largest asteroid in the solar system by both volume and mass. In some spectral classifications, it is the largest of the dark sea type asteroids, with a carbonaceous surface, whereas in others it is second after 1 Ceres. Observations taken with the Very Large Telescope Sphere Imager in 2017 and 2018 announced that in late 2019 revealed that Hygiea is nearly spherical and close to a hydrostatic equilibrium shape. The authors of the study therefore consider it a possible dwarf planet. However, Hygiea is conjectured to have been disrupted by an impact, with the subsequent debris reaccumulating rather than being massive enough to be plastic. The disruptive impact produced the largest known collisional family. Eris, minor planet designation 136,199 Eris, is the most massive and second largest known dwarf planet in the solar system. It is a trans-Neptunian object (TNO) in the scatter disk and has a high eccentricity orbit. Eris was discovered in January 2005 by Palomar Observatory based team led by Mike Brown, and verified later that year. In September 2006, it was named after the Greco-Roman goddess of strife and discord. Eris is the ninth most massive known object orbiting the Sun, and is the 16th most massive overall in the solar system, counting moons. It is also the largest object that has not been visited by spacecraft. Eris has been measured at 2,326 plus 12 kilometers, 1,445 plus 7 miles in diameter. Its mass is 0.28 that of Earth and 27% greater than that of Pluto. Although Pluto is slightly larger by volume, both having a surface that is comparable to the area of Russia or Antarctica, Eris has one large known moon, Dysnomia. In February 2016, Eris' distance from the Sun was 96.3 AU, 14.41 billion kilometers, 8.95 billion miles, more than 3 times that of Neptune or Pluto. With the exception of long-period comets, Eris and Dysnomia were the most distant known natural objects in the solar system until the discovery of 2018 AG37 and 2018 VG18 in 2018. 2020 FY30. 2020 FY30 is a distant trans-Neptunian object that was discovered 100 AU, 15 billion kilometers from the Sun by Scott Shepard, David Dolan, and Chad Trujillo on 24 March 2020. Announced on 14 February 2021, it is one of the most distant observable known objects in the solar system. 2021 DR15. 2021 DR15 is a large trans-Neptunian object in the scatter disk, around 700 kilometers, 430 miles in diameter, and it was discovered on 17 February 2021 by American astronomers Scott Shepard, David Dolan, and Chad Trujillo using an 8.2 meter Subaru telescope of the Mauna Kea observations in Hawaii, and announced that on 17 December 2021. It was 89.4 astronomical units from the Sun when it was discovered, making it one of the most distant known solar system objects from the Sun as of December 2021. It has been identified in several pre-recovery images as far back as 10 March 2005. 2021 LL37. 2021 LL37 is a large trans-Neptunian object in the scatter disk, around 600 kilometers, 270 miles in diameter. It was discovered on 12 June 2021 by American astronomers Scott Shepard and Chad Trujillo using Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory's dark energy camera in Chile, and announced on 31 May 2022. It was 73.9 astronomical units from the Sun when it was discovered, making it one of the most distant objects from the Sun as of May 2022. It has been identified in recovery images as far back as 28 April 2014. Salacia. 120,347 Salacia, provisional designation 2004 SP60, is a large planetoid in the Kuiper Belt, approximately 850 kilometers in diameter. As of 2018, it is located 44 astronomical units from the Sun and reaches apparent magnitude 20.7 at opposition. Salacia was discovered on 22 September 2004 by American astronomers Henry Rowe, Michael Brown, Christina Barkum, observed 124 times with recovery images back to 25 July 1982. Salacia orbits the Sun at an average distance that is slightly greater than that of Pluto. It was named after the Roman god of Salacia and has a single moon, Hygiea. Brown estimated that Salacia is nearly certainly a dwarf planet. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Universe Objects, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.